Hey, how's it going? So, taking you with me on my morning walk and had an idea for a video. I want to talk about my plan for Shiba Inu. Here's what I want to talk to you about. So, sometimes Shiba Inu is hard to own, just like other cryptos. In fact, crypto in general has been hard to own since the beginning of 2022 because of the entire crypto market going down from 2.7 trillion in the entire market capitalization of crypto to 1 trillion, things like that. If I look down, it's me having to make sure I'm not going to trip. So, and that's created this really strong period of volatility. I apologize for the wind and everything, guys, but I want to make this video for you. So, we had SHIB kind of move down and then consolidated now effectively for a year and a half. It's hard to own. It's not doing anything. But you have to ask yourself this question. Do you really believe in the long-term value of Shiba Inu? Do you believe that it's going to go up? Do you believe in the ecosystem? Do you believe in the team going to execute and deliver on what they've promised us? Well, of course they have, right? We got Shiba Inu coming, we got Metaverse out there, things of that nature. Okay, so my plan for Shiba Inu success, first point goes directly to what I've been saying for the first minute of this video, is that I don't let my emotions get the better of me. That's part of my plan. I'm not emotional about Shiba Inu. I'm not emotional about any of my crypto investments. 33 plus years of investing, I don't get emotional about it. I've been around the block a few times. So hopefully you'll take that as a lesson from the old guy in the proverbial room. So by not being emotional, I don't let the when it goes down 10% or something, or kind of this period of volatility scenarios, I don't let them bother me. That's part of my plan. That's the baseline. That's the basis of my plan. Because if you let your emotions take over, what happens? You panic sell. Okay? That's number one. Number two, I know what all my cost bases are for all the Shiba Inu that I own. I know every single bag that I've bought over years, and I know every cost basis for that allocation of that bag. Why? So that if I want to go sell a proverbial bag, I know my cost and I know what percentage of profit margin I'm trying to make off of that buy. That, how much I've bought at that particular time. 30%, 40%, whatever it is. That's part of my plan. I know my cost, I know my target strike price, and I know how much I want to make off of that individual bag. That's number two. Number three, I take advantage of the opportunities. In the dips that we've had, I've bought. I've taken advantage of the opportunities. That's number three. Number four, and this really applies to any crypto. I only buy projects that I believe will deliver value down the road from a long-term investment standpoint. Because I classify Shiba Inu as a long-term investment. It's a multi-year play for me. Remember, that goes back to my emotional component. I don't get emotional. I buy and I hold. I'm not emotional about it, and I have a long-term plan. Have I done some swing trading on Shiba Inu? Sure I have. Like where we've, maybe I've seen an opportunity and I thought it would go up 20 or 30%. But I would swing trade. I'd buy a little bit and then sell it, on a short-term gain. But the majority, the bulk, 99% of my Shiba Inu is a long-term investment, multi-year play. Why? Why is it that way? Well, again, it's a long-term investment because I believe in the long-term viability. I think that my big payday is down the road. I think that my big payday is a couple of years from now, which, by the way, not a bad time frame to generate hundreds and hundreds of percent or more, thousands of percent ROI. That's it, guys. That's my plan. Crypto's not real hard if you do the things I've just laid out in this video. Crypto is not hard in that capacity. So hopefully you'll take a little bit of my advice. By the way, this video was for entertainment purposes only, not investing advice. All right, I'm gonna keep my walk going here. Have a good day. Go make some money. Let me know your thoughts. See ya.